Here's a big mistake that a lot of people make, all right? And these people typically tend to burn out. Maybe in the first month, maybe in the first 90 days. It may even take them a couple years, but they're not gonna reach the levels of success that you're about to reach. This is when people think that sales is all about getting people to like you. Hey, I was the popular kid in school, right? I was on the football, I was captain of the foosball team, right? People think that sales is all about making friends. It's all about getting people to like you. They end up lying. They end up making disingenuous small talk. They spend their whole time thinking about building relationships. Sure, it's great when people like you. But being great in sales has nothing to do with you trying to get people to like you. It has everything to do with you being a professional and understanding their situation, understanding their personal situation, understanding the effects that are going on in their life. What's going on with their current situation? What's their ideal scene? Even if you're selling a $130 million business-to-business contract, that contract affects people. Instead of trying to get them to like you, try and understand them and try and figure out how you can improve your life, their life. And once you start improving their life, well, they're going to end up liking you a lot more.